301 Climate Change and Carbon Trading, O4 Credits, Course Outcomes, 1. To get knowledge about imbalance in the global carbon cycle, carbon footprinting, accounting and the policy responses to climate change 2. To understand different mechanisms of carbon trading and the role carbon finance 3. To analyze greenhouse gases with an emphasis on Carbon Management Unit I Global Carbon Balance, Earth's carbon pools and fluxes, natural and anthropogenic. Global carbon cycling, terrestrial and marine carbon cycle, carbon footprints direct and indirect, anthropogenic impacts on carbon footprints. Physical and chemical methods of measurement of carbon dioxide Unit 2 Effects of human activities on climate, water resource degradation, basics of global climate change, greenhouse effect, global warming and its impacts, ozone layer depletion, acid rain, El Niño, La Niña, sea level rise, biodiversity loss, urbanization and climate, impacts of land use. Land use change and forestry on climate, ethical issues involved in climate change Unit 3 Climate change mitigation, forests source or sink of carbon. Role of forests in mitigation of carbon emissions, carbon dioxide removal, CDR, mechanisms, carbon sequestration biological and geological, carbon sequestration modalities and procedures. Forest conservation methods. Reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, RED, projects and carbon storage and sequestration projects Unit IV regulatory instruments for climate change mitigation. Programs and policies initiated for mitigating climate change National Action Plan on Climate Change, 8 national missions, Climate Change Indicators, WMO Report. Climate Change Performance Index Introduction to Environmental Conventions and Agreements, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliance etc. Polluter Pay Model.